Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Now in this video we will try to understand the process of designing NFAs, non-deterministic finite automata, by parsing the given regular expression. Parsing means dividing the expression into its constituents parts, subparts. Designing NFA by parsing regular expression. Now first of all remember that आपको ये चीज़ पहले याद रखनी है कि every regular expression can be made into an NFA. जितने जो भी given regular expression हो उससे आप एक NFA बना सकते हैं. Whatever regular expression is given to you can made an NFA from it. Parse the regular expression R into its sub regular expressions. आपको क्या करना है, आपको पार्स करना है, डिवाइड करना है. पार्स मीन डिवाइड द रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन इनटू इट्स सब irregular expressions. Construct NFAs for each sub regular expression, and after dividing you have to design NFAs separately for each sub regular expression. जब आप अपने रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन को डिवाइड कर देंगे तो जो डिवाइड होकर आपको मिलेगा उसके लिए अलग अलग आपने रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन बनाने हैं. उसके बाद कंबाइन दी सब NFAs इनटू अ मेजर NFA. उसके बाद आप उन छोटे छोटे NFAs को एक मेजर NFA बना देंगे. याद रखें, लेट I बी द इनिशियल स्टेट. आपके प्रोसेस में I जो है वो इनिशियल स्टेट है एंड F in the double circle is the final state. Now there are some rules. First of all, how to draw an empty transition. So for it we know that the initial state is I, the final state is F. Now there is a transition from initial state to final state that carries a null symbol, so this is an empty transition. Individual symbol or atomic symbol. Suppose we have an individual symbol A or atomic symbol A, then for it, as we know, the initial state is I, the final state is F, and the input symbol is A. Now this is the NFA, this is the machine that recognizes the symbol A. Above, this machine was able to recognize an input which is null. Alternation. Suppose N1 and N2 are two NFAs for two regular expressions. Suppose we have two regular expressions N1 and N2. So we are required to design an NFA for their alternation. Now suppose NFA for N1 is I, N1 F. Now this NFA, this machine recognizes a regular expression N1. Also, if we have an NFA for regular expression N2, now this NFA recognizes a regular expression N2. So now NFA for N1 or N2. So for this we know that the initial state is I as this is for n1, this is for n2. अब हमने क्या करना है, I से एक एम्प्टी ट्रांजिशन हम n1 के लिए और एक एम्प्टी ट्रांजिशन हम n2 की तरफ लाएंगे. An empty transition is drawn to n1 and an empty transition is drawn to n2 from I. We know that the final state is F, so empty transitions are drawn from n1 and n2. इनिशियली अगर आप इसको अलग अलग देखें तो जब ये सेपरेट इंडिविजुअल एनफेज हैं तो ये इसकी इनिशियल स्टेट है, ये इसकी इनिशियल स्टेट है एंड ये इसकी है. लेकिन व्हेन दे बिकम द पार्ट ऑफ दिस मेजर, these were sub NFAs. Now N1 and N2 are the part of this major NFA, so now their initial and final states are not considered, but the initial and final state of the major NFA will be considered. Now if you start from I, you have two options, whether you can access to F using either N1 or N2. It is not possible to go from I to F using both paths. Okay, concatenation. Suppose N1 and N2 are two NFAs for two regular expressions, then NFA for N1 and 2 is given as, we know that this is an NFA that recognizes regular expression N1. Also there is an NFA that recognizes N2. So NFA for N1 and 2 is, N1 comes first, so the initial state of N1 becomes the initial state of major NFA. This is N1. Final state of this NFA is merged with the initial state of second NFA. Now after this N2, and the final state of N2 becomes the final state of the major NFA. So now this is the machine that recognizes N1 and 2, yani concatenation of both N1 or N2. Clean closure. Suppose we are required to design an NFA for A star, then we know that for A atomic symbol, if we divide it A star, we will get a symbol A and an operation star. Let me initial state I, from I we go to F, so this is A. Now if we design set A star, So the entries in A star are null symbol, 1 times A, 2 times A, 3 times A, and so on. So this means there should be an empty transition also. So from I, if we follow this edge, a null will be produced. This means null is valid. If we follow this edge, an A will be produced. But what about double A? So for this we have to draw a null transition from final state to initial state. Now in order to draw from I with A, go to F. Now come back to I. From I with null, go to I. From F with null, go to I. Okay. And from I again with A, go to F. So we got A null A means AA. Okay guys. Similarly you can produce 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, how many times you need. Positive closure. Positive closure means A plus. Now if we parse A plus, we will get an operand A and an operation plus. And if we design set for A plus, we get 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, and so on. This means now there are no empty symbols allowed. We know that if I is made connected to final state with transition A, then this NFA will recognize A. लेकिन what about then double A? इस डबल ए के लिए आप यहाँ से एक ट्रांजिशन, नल ट्रांजिशन यहाँ पे डिज़ाइन कर दें. तो जब मैं I से F पे आऊँ और A हो तो A is valid. Now from I with A go to F, from F with null go to I, from I with A go to F, so you will get A null A which is equal to AA. So this means double A is also valid. Similarly you can generate triple A 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Okay. Examples. Now consider an example A or B star A B. Okay. Now first of all we are required to design NFA for this regular expression by parsing it. Parsing the given regular expression A or B star AB. Now this means that there is a dot, so it divides it into A or B star and here AB. Also there, this means there is a star or dot and A B. Now if we divide it, here we get clean closure and A or B, and this gives us A slash B. Okay guys, so after parsing we get symbols or atomic or individual symbols A and B with operations alternation, concatenation and clean closure. Okay, so first of all, NFA for atomic symbol A. We know that I is the initial state and F is the final state. An edge, an arrow, a transition from I to F generates A. So this machine, this NFA recognizes A. Let it be 1. Now NFA for atomic symbol B. Again I, B. Now this second NFA recognizes the symbol B. Going further, now NFA for AB. NFA for AB combining 1 and 2. अब इसमें हमने इसी तरह करना है जैसे हमने कॉन्केटिनेशन के रूल में देखा था. ए पहले आ रहा है तो इनिशियल स्टेट ऑफ ए बिकम्स इनिशियल स्टेट फॉर ए बी ए. अब ए की फाइनल स्टेट और बी की इनिशियल स्टेट को मर्ज कर दिया. ये हमारे पास आ गया बी और ये हमारे पास है फाइनल स्टेट. सो दिस इज नंबर 3. Now NFA for A or B. We know that A के लिए हमने ये बनाया था NFA and for B we have, so an initial state is I. From I an empty transition is drawn and from final states also the empty transitions are drawn. So now this NFA recognizes A or B. Now NFA for A or B star given is, considering 4, NFA number 4, A, B. Now this is final state. Now draw an empty transition from I to F and an empty transition from F to I. Let this be 5. Now we have drawn all the sub NFAs. So now we come to the major NFA. Now NFA for A or B star A B. For this, combining this 5 with 3, combining 5 and NFA3. So initial state, empty transitions, this is A, this is B, now here, now as this NFA number 5 is going to be combined with the third NFA, so यहाँ पर हम we will not have the final state. ये हो गया थ्री. अब 3 के बाद हम 5 और 5 के बाद अब हम 3 को भी इसके साथ कंबाइन कर देते हैं. So now this NFA recognizes A or B star A B. Okay guys, please like the video, subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.